Hello friends, welcome to MSFT Webcast, and in today's video demonstration, we are going to see how to configure offline files in Windows Server 2012 R2. The problem with storing all your files on a file server or network machine is that when you lose the network, how are you going to access your files? So instead of using a VPN, you can use the offline files features built into Windows. Offline file features enables a user to access and work with the files and folders stored on a network share when the user is disconnected from that share. For example, such a situation could occur when the user is working from a laptop on a road or at a home. This feature ensures that the users are always working with the most recent versions of their files. When you enable offline files, this feature makes anything you have cached from the network available to you. It also preserves the normal view of network drives and so on, as well as the share folder and NTFS permission as well. So when you reconnect to the network, the feature automatically synchronizes any changes with the version on the network. Also, changes made to your files while online are saved to the both network share as well as on your local cache. Offline files are stored on the local computer in a special areas of your hard drive called cache. More specifically, this is located at the system root and under that folder named CSC, where CSC stands for client-side caching. By default, this cache takes up to 10% of your disk volume space. So let's see the demonstration how we can configure offline files in Windows Server 2012 R2. Now for this demonstration, I have a OU named sales team, and under sales team I have a user sales1, sales2, and both users are member of our group sales users. If you see the membership, our user sales1 and sales2 both are the member of our group sales users. And on a C drive already I created one folder named sales data, and so this folder is shared with our users sales users group. Let's see a property of our sales data folder. Just right click on it and select property. Click on sharing, click on advanced sharing, and click on caching. Now here we have a total 3 options are there. The first option is only the files and programs that users specify are available offline. That means we have to manually enable the offline file caching. Then we have a second option, no files or programs from the shared folders are available offline. That means no caching available on the shared folder. Now third, we have options, all files and programs that users open from the shared folders are automatically available for offline. That means automatic caching is enabled on the shared folders. Now here we have 2 more options are there. First, enable branch cache. Enable computers in a branch office to cache downloaded files and then securely serve these files to other branch office client computer. But for that, you have to install the branch cache feature on the server. Second, we have options optimize for performance. If we choose the optimize for performance options, executables files from the network share will be cached to the client machine. In our case, we're going with the default options, and that is only the files and programs that users specify are available offline. Click on OK and click on Apply. OK and click on Close to close this console. Let's come back on our Windows 10 computer. Already I log in as our user sales1. And let's access the share folder by using UNC path and the IP address of our server, that is 192.168.1.5. Now here we have our folder named sales data. Let's double click on sales data folder. Let's create one folder named sales1. Under sales1, I'm going to create a new text file, report, and let's create one folder, personal. Let's double click on report file and let's add a line. This is a sample file. Click on close and click on save. Now let's click on sales data and just right click on our sales1 folder and select always available offline. You can also right click on your folder, and from there you can select always available offline, but I want to just right click on sales1 folder and I'm going to select available offline. Completed starting offline services and completed the preparation files, so they are always available offline. Now over here you can see there is one symbol, and if you double click on it, over here we can say the file is offline and it is currently online. That means we are connected with our share folder. And this is the way how we can make any share folders available offline. Then over here you can also see the sync center is there, synchronize completed with our server. And if you see the sales1 folder and the file, that must be same available on our server. If you open the Salesforce folder, now here we have a folder as well as we have a text file. Just for the testing purpose, click on close, and right now we are connected with our server. Let's ping 1.5. We are able to get the replay. But just for demonstration purpose, I'm going on a server and just disable the LAN adapter. Okay, and let's come back on the client computer. Let's swing. Now we are not able to communicate with our server. Let's again access the share folder. And right now we are not connected with our server, where we create a share folder named sales data. And after waiting for a few minutes, you will see Windows Explorer is there. But right now we have only one folder named sales data. As you can see, there is no sysvol and no netlogon folders are there, because this is the offline file. If you are disconnected from the network, still you are able to access your files and folders by using the offline file features. If you double click on it, on the sales one, let's open the report file, and you can make changes to this file. Hello, click on close, and you are able to save this to the offline files data. Now, when you connect again, that time the file will be automatically synchronized with our server. In the next video, we'll see how we can use Sync Center for scheduling the synchronization, or if we have any conflict in offline files, then how we can resolve it. So that's it for this video demonstration. Thanks for watching this video.